Each Baby Bob's backyard bird feeders.
So these are chickadees. They have a black head, a white neck. They're very brave. They fly in and out of the feeders very quickly. That's their way to protect themselves. Dart in, dart out. And I basically feed them sunflower seeds with no shells. It's probably the most expensive bird food I can possibly buy, and they love it. There's no waste. And these birds are not. There's a nuthatch. He looks like a chickadee, but he's upside down when he crawls around the tree branches. Eats the same food. Maybe he'll. Here's a chickadee right here. Or is that a nuthatch? No, that's a chickadee. Yep, that's the chickadee song. Okay, come on back, birds. You want some seeds on the table? Here. That'll do it. This is my dead cherry tree. They'll look for insects under the bark. It's a chickadee. So today we have chickadees and nuthatches so far. Nuthatch. I guess they're habituated to people. They do a little squeaking noise, these nuthatches. They like to look upside down. Chickadee, nuthatch. So it's a sunny, brisk October day, and the chickadees and the nuthatches love this weather. Here they come again. Where are you, nuthatch? Chickadee, nuthatch. The nuthatch is in the water now. Back on the tree at the feeder. He's so cute. This is the dead cherry tree. It has all the bird feeders hanging from it. There's some suet up there. These bird feeders are squirrel proof. That means if the squirrels climb on them to get the seeds, they close up. I only buy the best sunflower seeds that are already hulled. Maybe a little Niger there, the dark one on the right by the ladder. And we get, in the last few days, lots of chickadees, the little chubby black-headed white-chested bird. It's very brave and bold, that will come right up to you and take the seeds out of your hand if you want to do it that way. And we have the nuthatches that look like a chickadee, a little smaller than a chickadee, but not much, and they like to be upside down when they eat. Where are they? They'll be here soon. It's almost lunch. That was a chickadee. That was another one. Let's see if we can get a chickadee to land on my hand and eat. The seeds are a little wet. It was raining this morning. There's a junco down there. It's kind of a blue-gray bird. There's the chickadee. Come on, chickadee. Land on my hand. You can do it. It's got like a black head. It's right here. Oh, there's the junco down there. It's on the tree, in the cedar bushes there. Yep, that's the junco. He's watching. He's not as brave as the other birds. Waiting for me to get out of the way, I think.
That's it for today, I guess. Until next time.